how to fix Instagram emojis not showing. So if you're facing a problem with Instagram emojis, then first of all you have to open up your Play Store, and then here on the search bar you have to search for Instagram. And after searching here, if you have an update under Instagram, then you can simply tap on update and make sure your app is up to date. And if this doesn't fix your problem, then you can go to settings, your phone settings, and then here you can go to apps and notifications, and under that tap on see all apps, and then go and search for Instagram. And after opening your Instagram, you will have storage and cache option. Simply tap on that, and then here you will have clear cache option. So tap on clear cache and make sure you have cleared all of the cache. And if this still doesn't fix your problem, then you have to open up your Instagram, and then you have to report to Instagram. So to report, you have to go to your profile, which is on the bottom right corner, and then you can go to the upper right corner, which has the 3-bar icon, and here go to settings and privacy, and then scroll down, and here you can go to help, and after that you can go to report a problem, which is on the first option, and then tap on report a problem, and from here you can simply tap on don't include, and here you have to write that I'm not being able to use emojis on Instagram. And you can also go to screenshot, or you can also upload some screenshots, and after uploading that you can simply tap on send, which is on the upper right corner, and that's it. This might fix your problem. So these were the few fixes to your problem, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.